My life is like a German fairy tale. Born in a pit where the sunlight quit, wrapped in cold and fed on shit. Christ got lost in the wicked wind, cursed by gods before I sinned. My life is like a German fairy tale, where dreams get drowned and hopes turn pale. Wolves in suits and grins that slit. The world's on fire and I'm in it. Taught by a hag with a rusted knife, said love's a trick and pain is life. The bread was mold, the milk was blood. My heart beat loud in a house of mud. My life is like a German fairy tale, with chains that dance and bones for sale. The sky spin ash, the ground won't quit. Each step I take, I'm deep in shit. The prince got drunk, the queen went mad. The jester cried for what we had. The magic god, the well ran dry, and fought the stars that line the sky. I made a wish on a broken jaw. The moon just laughed and said, ha, nah. I kissed a frog, it bit my face, then vanished in a cloud of lace. My life is like a German fairy tale, where fairy wings and morals fail. There is no light, no golden twit, just me, the dark, and all this shit.